Welcome to the weekly challenge where I challenge you to sharpen your skill and prove what you can do. This week, I am challenging you to fix up an existing form project and make it better. I'll explain more about that in the bonus challenge in a minute, but first, in case you don't know me, my name is Tim Corey and it is my goal to make learning C# easier. If you want to become a better C# developer, this is the place to be. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get alerted. I release new videos every Monday and Thursday, and sometimes I'll even throw in a bonus video during the week. Now this challenge includes some starter source code, so follow the link in the description to go to the challenge page. You can also download the challenge video and the instructions there as well. Now if you get stuck, that's also the place where you can sign up for the solutions. For one monthly fee, you can get access to every challenge I've ever issued and every solution, and you can cancel at any time. Okay, so the goal of this challenge is to improve my form. So I've got a solution with one project and it's got a couple of forms in it, and it's a little bit of a mess, and I'm hoping you can fix it for me. So the first fix is the fact the application doesn't even load. So I appreciate if you'd fix that, make it run. And then what I want you to do is switch the startup form to be form 2. Right now it's form 1. After you do that and after it works, rename form 1 to be person form and form 2 to be the dashboard. Okay, so you're going to rename those and make sure that when you do the rename, that first of all it works, it compiles and it runs, and also that you don't have any lingering form 1 and form 2 kind of in the background or hanging around, like the file names or anything else. Okay, so that's the challenge. Now, if you've conquered that, there's a next step up, and that's the bonus challenge. And the bonus challenge is to keep the code dry. Now, dry stands for don't repeat yourself. So if you notice in the code behind for both forms, and these aren't like working forms that do really cool stuff, but it's just a little bit of code behind. In that code behind, there's events on each one that are basically identical. It's identical code, and they both have to run whenever that particular form closes. What I want you to do is figure out how to keep the code dry by, instead of having two identical events, try and have one event that covers either form closing. Okay? So try and figure that out. Try and figure out how you can write that code once in one spot. Not just calling a method from each one. That's not what I'm talking about. I want you to actually create the whole event just once and then have it run when either form closes or any new forms that you create as well. Okay? So that's the basic challenge and also the bonus challenge, and hopefully that'll kind of spur your thinking when it comes to how to deal with forms. Okay? So you got it? I hope so. Good luck and happy coding.